guys, how you doing? I'm Jacobest. This is ANS, the channel with a unique girl series. So Nigeria girls, I want to quickly talk to you guys. In as much that we really want justice for rape victims, we should also talk about some things that are not right. Yes, I'm against rape. To me, nobody deserves to be raped. Even a prostitute doesn't deserve to be raped. Nobody, a mad woman doesn't deserve to be raped. And that is just a fact. These days, the high rate of rape cases in Nigeria it's really something else. It's more than imaginable. Every day we hear about different cases of rape, every week, every month, like that. But these days now, it has come to my notice that Nigeria girls, once they break up with a guy, they come out and say he raped me. Yes, Nigeria girls, they wait for their ex to be something reasonable in life, then come out and say he raped me, just to tarnish his image. But why? Yes, why? Why all of that? How can you tell me that someone raped you 10 years ago? You didn't tell anyone, not even your best friend. That your bestie you used to discuss how you and your boyfriend bang at night. Yes, some girls do it, most girls do it. Yeah, say with girls, we dey talk when we sharp sharp, then you no get wetin you no dey talk. Girls do it. Once they trust someone, they do it. They talk am, how they bang, how they think dey sweet them. So that person that you can tell that kind of thing, you could not tell the person you were raped. Yes, you couldn't. And you want me to believe you that you were raped. Yeah, some persons will believe you. They will come out and start saying he raped me 10 years ago, 2 years ago, 15 years ago, he raped you, and no one knew about it. The recent one, it's a girl who took to her Instagram with a picture of her ex, a pre-wedding picture of her ex getting married. He said he raped her when they were in school. She knew the guy through a friend. And my question is, did you tell the friend whom you knew the guy through? No, you didn't. Your bestie, everybody around your company, around you couldn't tell anyone. You know it. And now you say him getting married, you brought it up. And some persons are believing her that karma will surely come. Yes, we all believe in karma. Me, I believe in karma so much. But this one, no karma. This is wickedness. This is wickedness. She said that she vowed to tell anyone who know him. The last time she met someone who know him, you should have mentioned the name of the person you met that know him. Was that the first time you saw the person who knew him? No. After the rape, didn't you see anybody that know him? When did you tell anyone? It's now that he's getting married. And some persons are saying that it's good that she revealed the guy so that the wife will know who she's getting married to. Who asked for your opinion? Apropos. Did the lady ask for your opinion? Do you think the lady doesn't know who he's getting married to? This is pure wickedness. They wait for the person to become something reasonable in life and come out and say he raped you. See, anybody who is planning that for anybody, thunder from a people will fire you. You better stop that. Now let me tell you one thing. If you are raped, say it immediately. Because to me, coming out 10 years later, it's a past tense. It's a past tense. Some persons will say it's trauma. Which trauma? Trauma, okay, yes, trauma, yet Trauma didn't deprive you of having sex with your new boyfriend. Trauma kill you, they also tore. Trauma of that rape didn't stop you from going into another relationship. Do you know what's trauma? Anytime you see anything related to that thing, you should be feeling the pain and you don't want to do it, yet you see they bang your boyfriend. You say na trauma. Which trauma? Abeg go and sit down somewhere. See, Nigeria girls, you guys should stop that kind of thing. Stop it. Stop it. If somebody rape you, say it immediately. Tell someone. Say it. Speak up. So we will all speak up and get justice for you. Yes, you deserve justice. So the law will take its course and put that person, that useless rapist, behind the bars. Yes. Abeg, make no come dey call me like 6 years later come tell us say somebody rape you. Just look at Kemi. Is it Kemi Okuloya? A whole Kemi or for that matter coming out like after almost 2 years that Davido harassed sexually. Imagine, you didn't say anything about it. Now you know say Davido harassed you sexually. Abeg go and sit down somewhere, Joe. Enough of all this nonsense. Go and sit down somewhere. Abeg, this after go end this appropriate man go find something to chop. Don't tire for all those now stupid things. See, I don't want to hear in one day that after I get married, my husband become the president of this whole big nation. My husband, forget laugh. My husband become the president of this country. Then somebody will not come and say my husband rape you. You know where? Thunder from Abeokuta go fire you. Don't try it, oh. If anybody rape you, say it now. Don't wait for when they become public figure, become something reasonable in life. Don't wait. Say it now. Okay, I'll see you guys here later. I still remain Tegabyte, and this is AMS, the channel with a unique gossip. Signing out.